Hello, everyone, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use QuestionWell AI. So, QuestionWell allows you to generate question sets based on pretty much anything. So, in this video, I'm actually going to spotlight how you would generate questions and create a Look It quiz really easily from a YouTube video. So, let's say I am a science teacher and I am teaching my students about the periodic table. So, I have found a video here from Khan Academy about the periodic table. Amazing. Now I want to do something with this afterwards. So I can go to QuestionWell and you can sign up using your employee email address. And it's, for the most part, the free version for me has been fine. I don't know what you can do with the paid version, but for me, the free version has always been more than enough. So I am going to get 10 multiple choice questions based on the periodic table. And you can even add learning outcomes and standards. A lot of these programs come from the States. So the curriculum expectations are not the same as the ones maybe we have in Ontario. But nevertheless, you can generate your own question set by clicking this button here, choose. And then what you're going to do is copy and paste the link from your YouTube video here. You're going to press search. You'll see it comes up with a transcript of the video. You can select the language that you would like your question sets to be generated in. Click that magical wand. I'm just going to pause it while this generates. And there we go. The magic has happened. It has now created 10 questions for me about the video on the periodic table. You would obviously want to go through and vet that these questions make sense. You can edit them, you can change the wording, you can double check the answers. I'm not a science teacher. I don't really remember science that well. Maybe if I had played some games, I would have understood it a little bit more in depth. Um, Anyways, make sure that you do double check your answers. So when you want to export this into another program, so I'm going to show you Book It, but there's lots of options. You want to click select all and then click on export. There are lots of different things you can export this into. I'm going to choose Book It because that's what I use most often. It's going to save it as a CSV file, which I usually just drag to my desktop. And then I would open Book It. Once you're in Book It and you have an account, you can click on Create. And now you're going to go ahead and create that quiz or that game. So periodic table, you can add an image. And then you are going to click on CSV import and create. And you are going to upload your CSV. It is on my desktop. Open. And now it has imported all my questions from QuestionWell into Book It for me. So you can click on Show Answers if you want to see the answers to all the questions and make sure that they are correct. You can add a question. You can edit the wording of each question. You can add a picture for each question if you want. You can set the time limit for each question. Then all you're going to do is click on Save Set. And it should, yeah, pop up for you right here. Then you can assign the game. You can host the game in your class so students can play it individually, or you can host it all together. So you click on, oh, this is the new one I made. I've shown people how to do this before. Click on host. I do have the paid version of Book It, so I have access to a lot of different games. You can also assign this as like a homework task. So let's say I select Gold Quest. And then I would click on host. And you can select how long the game would be for, host now, and then join the link. They can scan the QR code, they can enter this in playbookit.com, and then you can have a fun game based on the YouTube video that you watched. And that's it. Try it out. Enjoy.